saw so many Pacific Island women running alone at night, and that is a big concern to us, the Brownies. So what we've done, ladies and gentlemen, is that this morning we flew all the way to Japan and employed the best ever martial arts expert to come over here and show you ladies some moves. So ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together all the way from Japan, Master Fung FOO! Good morning to you, Master Fung FOO. Ladies and gentlemen, Master Fung FOO was just saying that he's very, very honored to be here, even though it's very, very cold. He's also saying that he's very, very happy to see so many brown faces looking at him. Tuiātaga. Okay, now I know your name. Beautiful name. And I let my hand go, it's okay. What do you do for a living, Sina?
A mother.
Oh, you're a mother. How many kids you got?
5.
Okay. Are you still with a man? You still with the same man?
Yes.
Oh, is he here tonight?
No.
Is he drinking at the pub?
Say that.
You can say that. Are you Samoan, Sina?
Tongue.
Yeah? Oi. Mau ka ketemu si Alpito? Sina, okay, don't be shy. It's okay, you're doing very well. You look beautiful. For all the single guys out there, look away. Yeah, Sina, Master Fung FOO here would like you to play with him. No. No, why? Bây giờ mà Fung FOO một ca cô sao mà. Mất quay lì. Oh, no. Just come over here, Sina. Don't be shy. I like your shoes. They're very big. Are they your mother's? Okay. Now, we're gonna go now to Master Fung FOO. See, the Master Fung FOO was just saying, you look just like Princess Diana. Bây giờ con. Okay, Sina. Again, don't be shy. Don't be shy. It's okay. Master Fung FOO is not hard. Master Fung FOO just wants you to put your right hand on his right shoulder, and don't rush into it. I know how excited you are. Okay, so when you're ready. Okay. Okay. Just nice and easy. Don't be shy. Master Fung FOO just saying that was beautiful. Do you play touch by any chance? Yeah, 不像。Okay, this is a big one. Ladies and gentlemen, It's okay, I'll give you my number at the end. It's alright. It's okay. Just bear with me on this one. It's not long to go. Now, Master Fung FOO, don't be shy, singer. Master Fung FOO will like you to punch him right here. It's okay. Just punch him. Don't be shy. Just pretend he's your husband. Punch him. Master Fung FOO just saying that's a beautiful dance. That's a beautiful punch. That's excellent. Ladies and gentlemen, please big round of applause for Sina.